Morning guys, 24th of March, Friday. Chris is going to do some vlogging today on the workshop, just getting updated. And guys, just as well, let you know something. If you ever see this on the camera, it's not me rocking, it's just the camera issue we've got on the lens. I have ordered one, apparently it's coming today. So yeah, I'm going to let Chris take over and he can explain to you what's happening today at GM as well. So for now guys, see you next week.
Right, so it's now Friday afternoon. Jürgen passed the camera to me this morning, but it's been a busy Friday. Had a lot going on, so I haven't had a chance to film anything yet. So I'm going to go and have a quick look now and see what Dale's up to. We've got Jürgen's flat out in the office. Callum, you've had a customer in for a road test today, haven't you? And buying a car, so he's been very busy too. So let's have a little look what's going on, see what Dale's up to. So, in the storage unit, the valet area, Yukar's car, looking beautiful, all polished. Difficult car to get on camera, maybe being black and it being bright outside. But yeah, Dale's doing a lovely job of that. Nice thing. And I believe Dale is cleaning a Golf. Let's have a look. Camera's on. So we've had this Golf in today for a service. It came off the back of a recommendation. We've got a customer called Erwin with an Audi RS3 that we've recently had in. And he's now brought his friend's Golf in for a service and inspection. Very nice thing. We're just giving it a courtesy wash before it goes. I believe they drove up quite fast from sort of Birmingham way or somewhere along that kind of lines to have the car serviced by GM, which was nice of them. So yeah, thanks for coming guys. The car's very nice, in good condition as well. Nice Golf GTI. So we're going to give it a courtesy wash and get it back to them today. Just let them enjoy their weekend. Let's go and see what young Matty's up to. Got Jürgen's Lambo sitting pretty. He was out in this last night. It's nice to see that back on the street. Omar's Supra getting collected tomorrow. It's been in for some service work. This car, Jürgen originally imported it. I think he said 2012. It's been down south recently. We haven't seen it for a number of years, and then it's come full circle. The local guys bought it and brought it in for a service. That's a very nice Mark IV Supra. There's a rare bit of something from Jan there for the camera. So, I don't know where young Matty's gone. Is he in the workshop?
On the toilet.
Oh, he's on the toilet. Typical. Apprentices, little tip. Don't spend too long on the toilet. Young Matty occasionally takes himself off to the toilet, and I don't know if he spends his time checking Facebook or what he does, but he's in here. He was fitting some tyres for Haggy. So Haggy likes his track day stuff. He's got a Seat Cupra that he likes to throw around tracks on a weekend, and I believe he's getting something done with these tyres. So this is his one set of wheels. He's got a couple of different sets of wheels, I think. So some nice team dynamics, and we are taking off. What are they? I don't know what tyres he runs. I know he's big into his track day stuff and what tyres he's into and what's best. So these are Nankang track tyres, and he's putting on some Michelin Pilot Sport 4S's by the looks of it. So I don't know if that's going to be his new street setup or what. The car does get used on the road occasionally as well. Let's head next door and we'll see what the guys are doing in the main workshop. So in the main workshop we've got Caroline's stunning R8, now twin turboed. Cyvex ECU is installed. About to load the base map on that and get it ready for tuning next week with Romain. So this is a beauty. Very much looking forward to seeing what Caroline's reaction is when she gets that car back. Very nice thing. Got Kyle here. Kyle's working on Warren's car. Getting on with the dry sum's pretty much finished off. We're just waiting on a few bits that haven't been supplied with it. Yep. So we're waiting on some oil cooler parts and an oil filter relocation part as well. And then also working on custom power steering lines. Yeah.
Yeah. So it all has to get extended.
Pretty much like nothing OEM fits anymore, does it?
No.
So
it's literally everything has to be adjusted, lengthened, and moved.
Custom.
So.
Yeah. So it keeps Kyle busy anyway. Keeps him out of trouble.
No, certainly.
Keep me well busy. Scotty's just finishing up the BMW M4. We've had the gin tonic crank up fix that we talked about earlier in the week. So that's come together nicely. I think it's had some new brakes on as well, hasn't it, Scotty?
Put new
So-
discs on, yes.
Yeah, new discs on the front as well. So, nice thing. BMW performance brakes, give us a shout. We can get good deals on them as well, so give Haggy a message. And this time, I've got the elusive Dean. We've been waiting on the time attack car, and by the looks of this, doing more wiring,
More wiring.
which has been a theme of this car. It's got
Yeah,
an awful lot of extra
he's
stuff
added
on it.
a lot of extra
Yeah.
systems into the car, and they all need power sensors, and they all
Yeah.
need to be controlled by the ECU. So
Yeah,
a lot of wiring going
a
on.
lot of wiring headaches, but
Yeah.
Dean's the
Making
man,
sub
getting it
harnesses
sorted.
and stuff like that.
So what part are you waiting on at the minute then?
So at the minute I am wiring in the sub harness going to the ECU for the air shift system. So
Cool.
it's just very basic power, ground, 5 volt, and then a trigger.
Yeah.
But all needs to go to the ECU from the tank itself. So.
Okay, so yeah. So full on, lots to do. Car's looking awesome. And again, another one, once it's finished and all together, that is going to be an absolute animal. I don't know if Jimmy's about. Let's go and see if I can see Jimmy. Jimmy's back fresh from Texas, but got a lot to do, so he's getting caught up. I'm going to quickly pop in. Might not be a good time. He's in the middle of doing some talking things up, not chatting. Hello, Jimmy.
On the camera.
So I've been tasked by Jürgen today to grab the vlog and come and see what he's up to. I was just like kind of showing the guys how you were in the middle of talking something up there, weren't you?
Finished.
Yeah, so finished. I didn't want to disturb you when you're trying to make sure you've got them all and all the rest of it. So
Yeah.
what are you waiting on here then?
We are 38,
Yeah.
James signature build.
Yeah.
Just dry build at the moment,
Right.
so measuring clearances, ring gaps,
Yeah.
cranks in, but temporarily. So
Yep.
as I say, dry build, so no lubricants, everything's dry, just so we know exactly where we're at. Pistons and rods next,
Nice.
then it's everything apart, completely stripped, completely cleaned, and then built,
Proper build.
properly built.
Yeah.
So a wet build.
Jimmy built.
Jimmy build? A Jimmy build?
Like it.
Aye. Oh, there we go. So yeah, no,
Yeah.
it's just kind of, it's the long laborious process that starts out that nobody really sees.
Yeah.
Everyone
No, that's
thinks
good.
it just takes a day, but
Yeah.
it's there's a whole lot more.
I think
into
there's
it.
plans
Yeah.
afoot, whether or not it's going to happen and how long it'll take. I think Callum TNE wants to get a GoPro set up like a time lapse in here.
That would be
Just-
pretty cool.
Just have it out
Yeah.
your way so you don't have to think about it.
Yeah.
And
That'd be pretty cool.
kind of try and get a time lapse of what goes into these, and it's a lot of work, isn't it?
They're always good to watch. Yeah,
Yeah,
it's
a lot of
not. I mean, some engines are simple. Like
Yeah.
RBs are really simple.
Yeah.
But they're old school. Nothing wrong with that. But they're just it's a different era.
Yeah.
VR38. There's so many seals, gaskets, so much sealer. There's just it's
Fair bit to
it's a tricky one.
Yeah.
Complicated. Or a little bit more complex.
Yeah.
But we do plenty of them.
Yeah.
And I'd say with good results as well, which we know.
Definitely.
So yeah.
Awesome. I'll let you crack on, mate. Good to see you. Good to have you
Super,
back.
man.
Right.
Sometimes looking decent.
Oh, it's better than pod. We were talking about this last night. So it's slightly better than Podburn. When you go to Texas, it's like
Podface
Texas.
on Urban Dictionary. There is an actual
It's
thing.
Podface.
Podface.
So if anybody's been to Santa Pod, you'll
Yeah.
probably know. If the
Yeah.
sun's out, you just get burnt a bit.
This is Texas face.
That's the same
Yeah.
thing, but in Texas. Probably a bit hot there as well. But no.
Yeah.
You wouldn't get. I don't think you'd get that at Santa Pod in March, would you?
No.
So
Definitely have a
fair.
hat on the coat on.
yeah, it's a fair good going to get that in Texas, I suppose.
Strong.
Nice one. Right,
Super duper.
awesome. See you later.
Have fun.
Cheers.
Bye.
And that's it. I'm going to head back to the office, see what the boys are up to. I've got a few more emails to do. Customers to get back to. It's always busy. So yeah, see you soon. Right guys, that's it for today. Another busy Friday. It's been so busy I haven't got a lot of footage, if I'm honest. Just getting set and locked up for the night. Behind us we've got Tim's Toyota Chaser. So Tim is the guy who had the red Toyota GT86 that he imported from Japan to transfer residence, and he's coming back tomorrow to collect his other car, which is his Chaser. So I'll probably vlog a bit of that when he's here. Stay tuned. Lots going on. Busy week next week. We've got Romanian again, some cars, big cars to be tuned. So yeah, so keep an eye out for that. See you then. Thanks. Bye bye.
So that is all for today, guys. I hope you like the videos we're doing. Don't forget to subscribe, like the channel, share, comment, good, bad. Okay.